Hello, hello. What are today's messages? Let's try this one first today. Forgive yourself for being immature and not knowing how to love. How could you know what you were never taught? Only you know what's best for you. It's no one else to decide. It's for no one else to decide. This world belongs to the enthusiastic. Ralph Waldo Emerson. Joy is not in things, it is in us. Richard Wagner. All life is an experiment. Ralph Waldo Emerson. When love and skill work together, expect a masterpiece. John Ruskin. Some toxins in your home, objects you no longer use, clothes you don't like or haven't used in a while, broken things, old cards and notes, plants that are dead or sick, receipts and old magazines, shoes that are broken, and broken children toys. Alrighty. What are today's cards? I radiate positive energy through my aura. Massage your scalp. Massage your scalp with your fingers. You may close your eyes and allow good feelings and relaxation pass over your body. If you can, do this with a friend and benefit from the oxytocin hormone released from another person's touch. Stress often causes tension in the scalp and head area. By relaxing these thinking areas, you will feel more relaxed. I love a good head massage. Number 26. My heart space is abundant and flowing. "27. Pull yourself close. Every part of your being is deserving of love." And the last card today. Recognize signs and synchronicities. Some coincidences are random and others are full of meaning. If you dream of someone and then run into them by chance, read a slogan on a billboard that's like an answer to a prayer, or a friend recommends a book on a subject you've been privately pondering, consider it a sign. A number 9. All right. Thanks for stopping by. Adios, amigos. Hello, hello. What are today's messages? Let's see what we get today. Resilience. I have already overcome so many challenges. No matter what may come my way, I will come out of it even stronger. Find your center of power. Your power may be in your legs. Some people hold their power in their shoulders or chest. Perhaps your power is in your core. Look for it. Feel for it. Once you find it, reside in that place with your mind. Let your power grow as big as it wants to and spread all over your body. Reside here for 8 minutes. Once you find your power, you know where to look the next time you need it. Your power will always help you understand how to set up a healthy boundaries to help protect it. Humor. To have and appreciate a sense of amusement in yourself and others. Make a list of all the reasons humor benefits you and others. Set goals about infusing humor into everyday life. Listen for and support through laughter and affirmations others' attempts to be humorous. Evaluate your ability to have a sense of humor about yourself. Focus more on having a good time than on being the funny person in the room. Find humor in what connects us, not in what is hurtful to or diminishes other people. Spreading love takes no more effort than spreading negativity. Choose to uplift and watch the world transform around you. "22. Flirt. Be playful. Flirting sparks romance and makes your relationship stronger. Plan a date night or mingle if you're single. Get your flirt on." Alrighty. And today's quotes. Loneliness makes us rush into relationships. It can keep us in the wrong one. It urges us to accept less than we deserve. Someday, all the love you've given to the wrong souls will find its way back to you in someone who's waited their whole life for your kind of love. You're not grown up until you know how to communicate, apologize, be truthful, and accept accountability without blaming someone else. Oh, you haven't heard? Your weird is the weird the world needs. Oh, yeah. Your life is shaped by you. The foods you eat, the books you read, the profiles you follow, the media you consume, the experiences you have, the people you spend time with, the state of your gut health, the environment you're in, the habits you stick to, the goals you set, and the beliefs you hold. Helpful things to learn about yourself. 1. Your attachment style. 2. What makes you feel loved. 3. Your triggers. 4. Any helpful ways you may react when you become triggered or stressed. 5. Your go-to self-soothing strategies. 6. Your self-sabotaging behaviors. 7. The core beliefs that influence how you interpret your life and experiences. 8. What you enjoy and what you don't. 9. What turns you on and off. And 10. Your hopes, dreams, and desires. Your success is directly correlated with your ability to keep your commitments you make to yourself. Never feel guilty for building the life you want. Yes, yes. Peace of mind means keeping your mind on the right things. Quit yelling at your kids before bed and expect them to sleep well. Quit yelling at your kids in the morning right before or right after they wake up and before school and expect them to have a good day. You become their inner voice. Don't be their inner critic. The last one today. The potential you see in other people isn't real. It is the projection of what you would do in their position. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios. Hello, hello. What are today's messages? In my life is going to mean anything, I have to live it myself. Satisfy your soul, not society. F them. They need to talk about you to get attention, because if they spoke about themselves, no one would give a F. You're different, and that's what makes you rare. Your intuition is the most honest friend that you'll ever have. Have you ever looked back on your life and realized you would have listened to your gut? You could have saved yourself so much grief, problems, and lessons? No? Just me? We believe what we tell ourselves. So tell yourself, you can do this. Things will get better. You are lovable. And you can be who you really are. Hey girl, it's okay to say no without explaining yourself. You deserve respect. I am kind to myself and others. Honoring adversity. A fire reveals a path of renewed direction once the burning is complete. Number 24. My heart is open to receiving love. And the last card today. Inner cosmos. To embrace the light, first acknowledge the dark. Trauma seen. Go deeper. All right. Thanks for stopping by. Adios.